everyone, welcome back to my channel. So clearly I just got out of the shower and it's kind of part of this video. So today, if you can't tell from the title, I'm starting my new series called Self-Care Sunday, but it's gonna be like a twist on that because this is going out to all my moms. So basically it's gonna be like nap time self-care Sunday. So whether that actually means it's during nap time or it's during like after your kids go to bed, or maybe while they're at school if you're a stay-at-home mom, whatever your situation is, it'll be when you can just get like even 20 minutes, an hour, whatever of time to yourself to do something for you to make you feel better. So today I'm starting off with a pedicure, also in the title, and today's video is brought to you by my friends at Brill Communications. So what they did was sent over this little bucket full of goodies. I shared what I got on my Instagram, which I will leave a link down below to that. So they sent over this cute little basket, and I've been kind of poking around in it, trying to become familiar with some of the products to make sure that I'm explaining them to you guys correctly. So they made this cute little insert to explain different things, the different products that they sent and how to use them. So I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through that. So with my self-care Sunday little series that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be talking about all different self-care routines, I guess, that I try to do or things I would like to try. So of course today's gonna be pedicures. I'm also thinking about doing sort of like my shower favorites, or like my shower routine and the things that I like to use in the shower. And I have a few other ideas, but if you guys have any questions or ideas about self-care products or things that you guys like to do that maybe I could try, let me know down below, whether that's outside of the home or inside of the home, like a DIY type thing. I don't have time clearly to be going and getting like an actual pedicure. That's why I'm doing an at-home one. But if you guys have things that you guys would like me to try out and talk about, or try to figure out myself, let me know down below and I will do that. So I'm gonna share with you guys the products that I got, and then we're gonna try them out. Again, a little cut off, but this should make sense. So they sent in this little bucket so that you could use this for soaking your feet. I'm assuming that's what they're trying to do. So this product I've already opened because I wanted to become familiar with it to make sure that I was explaining it correctly when I was using it. So this is one of those LED lamps. So when you paint your nails, you put them underneath the LED lamp and it kind of cures the nail polish and makes it harden. So this is by Sensational. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just a little lamp that's like reflective and the lights are under here. It plugs into the wall, but it's also a USB. So actually when I tried this, I was at my computer working and I just plugged it into the computer with the USB plug. And so then I didn't actually have to like find a plug in the wall. So that was really cool. And then to go with that, I got 3 nail polishes. So this is the Sensational Made Him Blush. It's a pink color. I don't know if this stuff is gonna, there it goes. It's like a blush pink color. This is Cafe au Lait, sort of like a nude. I really like this one. And then Seize the Day, which is a blue, which is what I'm going to use on my toes today. So these are all gel nail polishes that harden with the lamp thing. So then next is 2 products from Trim. So this is their foot brush and pumice stone. So it looks like that. It's got the brush on one side and the pumice stone on the other, and then they also sent like the little toe separators, so these will be fun to use. I'm excited to try that out. They sent me just like a little what's it called, like a washcloth to help me out with that. They also sent, oh, there's a nail file in here that also came with the nail polish. I think there's a little, yeah, there's like one of those cuticle pushy things too. They also sent this Fungi Care antifungal liquid. I don't have any like fungal issues on my toes, but I know it's very common, so they did send this if anybody needed it. So I am gonna pass this on to someone that I do know that can use it, but I did want to include it in here so that you guys know about it in case you guys do need this. And then next is the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt. This is Soothe and Sleep with Lavender, and so it's like a big bag of the Epsom salt. I've never really used Epsom salt, maybe a few times, but I'm excited to try this and actually see how it works. And then they also sent those like awesome little flip-flops that you get at the pedicure places, so you can walk out. And then yeah, so there's just like the little stuffing in the bottom, so we're gonna get all that out. I'm gonna fill this with warm water, I think. I'll get back to you after I read the instructions, and then we will get going. Okay, so this is kind of an awkward angle, but it was the best way I could get the shot. So I have the Sensational little LED light plugged in and ready to go. So basically how it works, it's like motion censored, so I can tell when it's under there. So I believe it stays on for 30 seconds once you put your like fingers or toes under there. And it should be cured in 30 seconds, but sometimes you have to do an extra 30 if you feel that you need to. And I will say, and I talked to one of the girls at Brill about this, that this would have been a lifesaver when Colton was first born, because his naps were like super like uncontrollable, I guess is what you would call it. So like you don't know if they're gonna nap for like 20 minutes or for 2 hours. So I would go and like sit down and paint my nails, and he would wake up, and then my nails would get all mashed up from picking him up. So this is so easy and so fast, so I love this. So I'm going to paint my nails with the blue color. This is Seize the Day, and I will show you guys how it works. So it does say that you can you know, prep your nails and whatnot with these guys. My nails look pretty good, so I don't think I'm going to have to, but I will check them out before I do it, and then I'll show you guys how it goes. Then I'm also going to use the toe separators to make sure I don't get nail polish everywhere. So we're gonna pop it under the lamp. So like I said, it will automatically turn on. And then on to the next foot. So there you have it. They're all painted and cured with the LED light. They look really great. I'm not the best at like painting toenails, but obviously this is way easier and faster and cheaper than going to a nail salon. Okay, so again, I do want to say thank you to my friends at Brill Communications for sending over this awesome package of this little in-home self-care sort of pedicure kit. I'm so excited that they decided to send it to me. So I will leave links down below that I can find to these products, if not the actual products, to their social media, so that you guys can follow them and find out where they're sold. Yeah, so again, thank you to Funky Care, Brill Communications, Sensational, Trim, and Dr. Teals for contributing to this basket and for helping me with my Sunday self-care little routine. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys have any ideas of things that I can talk about for self-care Sunday, let me know down below, or send me an email, or hit me up on Instagram. I'm always over on Instagram at Navigating Nicole. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a little different showing feet on YouTube, I know, but it was fun and it was something to help moms. So I'm always here to help my mom friends out, my internet mom friends. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I am back. I know I had a little bit of a break. I am going to do a video explaining that break, which will be coming up soon. But yeah, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along on my motherhood journey. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys watching. I can't even talk. I'm going to have some lunch before Colton wakes up from his nap, and I will see you guys in my next video.